So the next thing that we'll talk about is variables. So variables are like containers for storing data values. So in programming language, we use variables to store data values, and they are called whenever it is needed. So in Python, we can, assuming that we want to store a data in a variable a, or we can give it any name. Okay, let's say 1. Right. So now if I've stored 1 in the variable a, so if I want to call 1, I just print 1 by writing this print command. So in Python, print is used to output our results. Let me put it that way. Okay, so this is a variable, or this is how we create variables in Python. All right. So let's say we want to create a variable name called box, which is equal to, let's say, 20. So if I want to output what is inside the variable box, I'll just do print box. Okay. So when I run this, whatever is stored in box will be printed. All right. Then we can have, let's say, name, which is equal to Alex. Okay, let me print this. So print name. All right, so we get Alex. So this is how we can create variables in Python. But also variables also follow a certain naming convention. In variables, okay, so you cannot start a variable with a number. This will give you an error. So basically, if you want to write a variable, maybe you can just write dd1, but you cannot start a variable with a number. Or you can also use the underscore symbol to create variables. Okay, let's say red is equal to my ball is red. All right. So now let me print. Okay, so this will print whatever was stored in this. So you can only use either real names or underscore, but you cannot use numbers to precede variable names. You can also employ this method, or first name. Okay. Or so these are camel 2, or you can have this last underscore name. So basically, all that I want to say is you cannot begin a variable with numbers. So these are some of the ways that you can store or you can create variables. Okay.